Hello and welcome to SudoKanard. Let's have a look at this 6x6 skyscraper Sudoku that was featured in this round of the Sudoku Mahabharat. So skyscrapers, you see the digits outside the grid are the numbers of building that you see, and a building, the height of the building is the number that is inside, and high buildings hide from view smaller buildings. So where do we start? So this 6x6 was quite expensive, 5 or 6 points out of 100, I think. So let's have a look. When you see this 4, it means that 6 has to be somewhere there, but 6 won't be here because of this 4, so there's a 6 here. Here, 6 could be here, could be here, could be here. Let's have a look at all positions that are possible for the 6. Because of this 4, 6 can't be here, so it would be somewhere here. So 6 is not here. And because of this 4, 6 can't be here, so it has to be somewhere here. So it won't be here, and that's a 6. And there's a 6 somewhere here. Here, 6. We know that 6 must be here or there because of this. In this box, 6 has to be here or there. And then because of this 4, 6 could be here, 6 could be here. 6, oh, because of this 4, 6 can't be here, so it has to appear somewhere there, so that's a 6. And I guess, yes, that's it. That's all the possible positions for 6s. Now, we know that this must be a somewhat high digit because it hides those ones. So it must be 3, 4, or 5. And if 6 is here, then this is a 5. So about 5, where can it be in this column? Well, it won't be here, because of this 5 won't be here. Could be here. Could be here, could not be here. But with this 4, these 4s, when you see that 5 couldn't be here, 5 couldn't be here, 5 could be here, I guess. I'm not sure where to look actually. In this column, 5 could be here, here, or here. Well, 5 could not be here, because then 3 buildings would be seen. So in this column, 5 could be here, could be here. In this column, 5 could not be here, could be here, could not be here, could be. That's a lot of places where 5 could be. This column, maybe. 5 could only be here or there in this column. I think that's correct. Could not be with those clues of 4, could not be here. So that's correct. Also, in this column, we get a 5-6 pair. That's interesting, because now those digits here must, oh, I was about to say they must be ascending, but that's not correct. Anyway, I need a 4 somewhere, but 4 can't be next to a 4, because we would see that it was 3 digits, so 4 has to be here. And the remaining digits must be 1, 2, or 3. And now 5 must be somewhere here. on this row. And this wouldn't be a 3, because if I put a 3, then we see 3, 5, and 6, and this clue won't be fulfilled. So 4 must be somewhere here, but it won't be here, so we get the 4, 6 pair here. And 5 is not here, so 5 is somewhere here, so 5 is not in this cell, and 5 is in this cell. So there's a 3 somewhere that we see 4 buildings, so this must be bigger than that, so it can't be a 1. And then with this 4 perhaps. Where does 5 go in this column? Could be here. It could not be here because of this. It could be here. But if 5 is here, then 6 is there. Oh, that doesn't work. If I try to put a 5 here, then it places a 6 here, and this too is not feasible. That may not be the intended logic, but this works. So 5 can't be here. 5 can't be here. 5 could never be here because of this 4, so that's a 5. And this is 1, 2, or 3. So now 5 can't be here. Sorry, that's a 5. So now 4 must be somewhere here. And we see 2 other buildings, so there's a 4 somewhere here. And now on this row, 5 can't be here because of this, 5 can't be here because of this 4. So 5 can only be here. Yes, 5 is here. So 4 is pushed into this position, and it places the 6s here, and that's a 5. This is 1, 2, or 3. This is also 1, 2, or 3. And is that a 5? I must be careful. Yes, on this row, 5 can't be here because of this. 5 can't be here because of the 4, so that's a 5. That's not a 5. And that's not a 5. So in this box, 5 can only be here. So that's a 6. That's a 4. That's a 6. This hides both cells here. So none of them can be a 4. So 4 is here in the column. And that's a 3. And 4 is here. That's 1, 2, 3. But then this 4 means that those are ascending digits. That's a 3. That's a 2. This 4 now needs to have 1 and 3 in this order to see 4 buildings. So now I need 1 and 4. So that's a 1. That's a 4. That's a 2. That's a 1. That's a 3. That's a 2. That's a 1, 2, 1. 3 and 2, and that's it. So this was a rather tricky skyscrapers puzzle. I seem to remember I spent less time than that when solving it during the contest, but then I was solving it with a writing tool, not with pen pal. So I must have seen more. I must have written down some more usable stuff, and I think I saw some other logic which helped. Anyway, thanks for watching this video, and see you soon on SudoKanard.